औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, look here. I'm going to log in using teacher account. So let's see how to use this Century account with the help of teacher ID. So first of all, when you will click on app.century.tech or just type Century in the Google search engine, you will get this interface just like that. Look here, when you type Century, just simple Century in a Google search engine or Bing search engine, you will get this interface. When you click on it, it will redirect you to this interface. When you click here, it will redirect you to this interface, and after that you will enter your email address and the password, and now click on simple this sign in. That's it. And here you will get the interface. So here is your teacher dashboard, okay, in which you will see the all classes that has been assigned to you. Okay, now first we are going to check the classes and then the assignment tab. So let me check class 9. All students are appearing over here. Okay, let me go back from here. Now let me click on class 11 biology. So only one student is working on Hadia Zainab. Look here, 93%. Other are not active. So now let me check the another class 10. These are the student details over here. Okay, now I have to check the assignment. So click on assignment tab. Look here, everything is appearing over here. Completed assignments, overdue assignments, in progress. I've just created this assignment for one class. How to create the assignment is very easy process. You need to click on create, and then you need to select the class, and for the students are skipped now, or you can select the classes. So I'm going to create assignment for class 9. Okay, this time I'm going to create the assignment for class 10, and then click on next. Now here you need to type the name of that assignment. Okay, cell structure and its function. Let's post this one. You can write instruction over here, change the subject. Where is biology? Okay, and now let's create. Now here add the classes. If you want to add more classes, just click here. You can add more classes over here. So you can even assign to specific students as well. Just click here. All students or the specific students, you can search from here. Okay, or just for the class 10, just click here, and that will be assigned to all the students. Just select all, then click on assign. "17 students. This assignment has been assigned to 17 students. Okay, now what we have over here? Now select nuggets. Click on that. All topics, all subjects. Okay, now this one. Click here. Add. Added. Nugget has been successfully added. That's it. Okay. So now let me check the due date. Let me click here. Let's set the due date. So let me click here, 1 week. Yes. Okay, date, select the date, 21st October. Okay, fine. Here's the time, start time. Okay, now end time, let's post Sunday, 26 October, 10 p.m. Let's click on apply. Done. It has been successfully scheduled. Go back. Now let's see over here. Here is teacher dashboard. everything is appear over here. Look here, this one has been scheduled successfully for the 17 students. Okay ji, let me check the overdue assignment. Just click here. So now I need to check the details. 6 students, scroll down, just click here on these students. They haven't done that. Go back. Here you can click on students. All students will appear, all classes will appear over here, and here's this assignment. Now just click on my classes. Click here, class 90. Click on, look here, all students are appearing over here. Okay, now you can click on assignment. So I have assigned this one 2 nuggets to this class. Just schedule this one. Okay, now you can even create assignment over here as well. This interface will appear for this specific class. Hopefully you guys will not face any problem. If you face any problem, just do contact me. I will help you, guide you. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Allah Hafiz.